Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the start date of your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing you need on your iPhone is the serial number to be able to look it up. So let's open up your settings here. Scroll down, tap on General, and then just tap on About at the very top. Now you can see right under the model name is my serial number. I can tap and hold and just hit copy here. Now we'll use that serial number to check basically online. So I can type in activation check iPhone. So again, activation check iPhone. You could go to Apple's check coverage that will show you the month and the year, but you can also just go to any of these other ones like check IMEI iPhone here. And then if I scroll down, I'm gonna enter in either the IMEI or the serial number. For this instance, it's IMEI, so I can go back and get that. Just tap and hold to copy the IMEI and paste that in here. Now I'm gonna hit I'm not a robot and follow these and just hit check. Now, as I said before, you can always do this on the Apple website. It will show you the month and the year, but it won't show you the exact date, and it won't show you a bunch of other information about the start date and the stats on your phone. So you can see IMEI, the brand, iPhone here, serial number, origin, clean, it's unlocked, and it's not blacklisted. So you can see a bunch of different information. And again, let's go back to check coverage. And then we'll enter in the serial number so I can show you both of those. Copy the serial number and paste that in here. And then I'm just going to type in this here, AT98Y, and hit submit. And you'll be able to see the purchase date or the start date for this phone is April 2023. So you can check all of this information to see if that phone is legit and it's actually what you're intending to buy if you're buying the phone used or secondhand. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.